So we've got a quick review on the D1 spec. Here we go. Hi, welcome to the channel. So we've got a bit of a joint review today on our cars. So mine obviously Mighty Combo, Sky's is the Mighty Skyline. So D1 spec quick release, are they worth their money? Only you can really answer that question. For me, I went for it because of the added security it offers. So I went for the D1 spec Slim. Comes in at around £90. Really sturdy unit. I mean, a lot of the play here is in the steering wheel. The stuff I hate is getting it on and off. Sometimes it will go on really well, and another time it's just a pain. So both hands, fucking hell. See what I mean then? That was pushing a button and turning. Goes on one way, but it can be a bastard. Again, put it on, you turn, you get that rewarding click. Off, on. So that's either I've mastered it or it's just one of them units. But I've done 100 mile on it so far. Yeah, my negative price and getting it on and off sometimes. So Sky will run through what his one's like, but you know what, I'd definitely buy another one. If you're thinking about getting a quick release, have a seriously good look at a D1 spec. Avoid the cheap eBay crap. I done the fatal thing last year, bought a shit eBay one, put it on, wiggled it, and it pretty much snapped off. Chucked it in the bin. So yeah, go for it, you'll love it. Here we go with Sky.
In my case, the D1 spec, Motor Racing Sports paddle quick release. It, when detached, as you can see, it kind of is in the open, locked in the open position. It's got of course, your usual ball lock system with horn capability, though I need to deal with something with the wiring. But honestly, when I ordered this, like I said, I wanted the Slim. They didn't have any more in stock, so I got the paddle one, and frankly, it's grown on me because it's just so simple. There, boom, that's it. Ready to go. Just like that, popping it off, easy. You just push this button down and press back, which with one hand is a bit of a pain in the ass because you want a bit more of a... Okay, crap. Well,
Oh, this is a dirty part.
I don't know where that was staring, but yeah, no, I had to just you just need two hands since it's easier. You just pull up, pull back, and it pops off. Quick, as simple as that. The thing I really enjoy with it, because with Kevs you have to kind of get it lined up properly and then lock it into place. With this one, so it's not where it's just spinning freely. You can hear that. I can just spin and it locks in. Snug. No slop to it. All that is straight to the steering column. So this is rotatable, so you can kind of adjust where it sits at. And yeah.
Remember, hit the like, subscribe button. We'll do more when we can. Peace out.